Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I think it's very clear that we're in an uptrend, which I think is going to end up continuing on the monthly, probably eventually going up and taking out these highs. I think it's either going to be a big uptrend for a wave A or a big uptrend for a wave 1. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this first set of trend right here is a 1. I think this is an ABC of 2, and I think we're already in that wave 3, which over the coming weeks and months, I think is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, most likely finish off the wave 3, 4, and 5, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, it looks to me like this is the end of a crescent, the end of a 2. I think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. I think this right here is a crescent. I believe this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 1. I think this is a 2, and I believe we're in a wave 3. If this is a wave 3, then this will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. Now, we do have to remember that today is the CPI news for the US dollar, inflation data, so that is definitely going to affect the dollar, but to me the trend is up, and I don't really think the trend is going to change. I think if anything it'll just make a pullback, and it'll eventually just keep on trending up, continuing that uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, ever since we ended what I think is a wave 2 right here, this crescent, we've been making higher highs, higher lows, as you can see. It looks like it's not respecting the 50% level. I definitely don't see any reason to think that this uptrend is over. The news is coming out today, and I wouldn't be surprised if it did make a move down, but even if it does go down, I think it's just going to be a crescent to the uptrend. I think that this is just going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows, even if it does make a move to the downside. I believe it'll just be a crescent to the uptrend. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we've been in a very strong uptrend, as you can see. It does kind of look like it wants to go up right now pre-news. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it did go up, and then maybe the news causes it to go down and start a crescent that may even last a day or two before it actually ends up continuing the uptrend. I think that the daily time frame trend is in. Even if it does make a move to the downside, it's just going to be a crescent, and it's all part of a big wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.